Welcome to the UTDesign studio. With 43,000 square feet of ideation, fabrication, assembly, test, and meeting space, this studio serves students from UTDesign Capstone, EPICS, and Makerspace programs. Home to 9 National Championship Award winners in Capstone team competitions through the American Society of Mechanical Engineers and the Capstone Design Conference since 2014. UTDesign Capstone includes biomedical, mechanical, electrical, and computer engineering and computer science teams, and any combination of these as well. As you view the titles and logos of sponsored capstone projects, you will see that the projects are sponsored and mentored by a mix of entrepreneurs, mid-sized companies, and large companies. The UTDesign Capstone program has a world-class team of faculty directors and support staff that help make the program successful. The UTDesign Studio Open Lab has 12,000 square feet of space, with a large 3D printer and several smaller 3D printers that print plastics and resins. With over 80 workstations, well equipped with computers and electronic test and measurement equipment, engineering students have everything they need to create, build, and test their solutions. The studio is open 24/7 to all UTDesign and EPICS team members who have completed their safety training. Each team has a dedicated working space, allowing uninterrupted access and dramatically increasing their productivity. This is rare among American universities. The design studio has a well-equipped soldering station for students to help them build their solutions. The soldering station gets really busy as students approach the completion of their projects. We have a large number of studio sponsors that have provided funding, equipment, software services, parts, and materials. These sponsors are encouraged to present a workshop or seminar each year to help students understand how best to use their products and their designs. Our corporate sponsors are our heartbeat. In addition to our studio sponsors, we have many hundreds of companies which have sponsored UTDesign Capstone projects. Students can create early prototypes of their solutions in the fabrication shop using wood, foam, plastics, and metals. They are trained in the use of power equipment. State Farm employs UT Dallas students right here in the UTDesign studio. In 2015, Texas Instruments donated $300,000 of equipment and $100,000 of support for this lab in which electrical engineering classes are taught. This lab helps innovators develop electronic and control systems for their products, including sensors, controls, analog signal chains, and devices. EPICS is engineering projects in community service. In this lab, students create solutions to help nonprofit organizations in the North Texas area provide better services to the community for people in need. We thank you for joining us for a virtual tour of the UTDesign studio.